Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by going straight to the recovery flow, Open Account. Live, com/reset on a secure device and choose I forgot my password. Enter the exact email, phone, or Skype ID tied to the account so Microsoft can find your profile. Once done, pick the reason for reset and proceed to the verification options list. Make sure you're using a device you normally sign in from. That increases recovery success. If prompted, complete any CAPTCHA. To prove you are next, verify your identity by selecting a recovery method, email, SMS, or an authenticator app, based on what you have access to now. Request the verification code and watch for it in your inbox, spam folder, or on your phone. Poor signal or delayed delivery can slow you down. Enter the code exactly as shown. If it expires, request a new one. If you only have recovery codes saved earlier, use them now. Once verified, you'll be allowed to set a new password. Now you'll set a new password. Choose a long, unique phrase and avoid anything used on other sites. After resetting, review and update your security info, add or confirm an alternate email and phone, and enable two-factor authentication for ongoing protection. Make sure to sign out other devices and apps that use the old password so they prompt for the new one. If something goes wrong, use the account recovery form with as many accurate details as possible. Keep a copy of confirmation codes and recovery contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.